Leo, Don, Raph, help!
What's wrong, Mikey?
Yeah, what's wrong?
I accidentally sold the pizza shop.
What? To who?
Well, it's kind of a funny story.
Who'd you sell it to? Spit it out, Mikey.
The Italian mafia?
How do you sell the pizza restaurant to the Italian mafia?
I don't know, they tricked me.
Mikey, we're supposed to make decisions as a team. Let's go talk to Kevin and see what to do.
What's up, Turtles?
Mikey made a decision by himself and managed to sell the pizza company to the Italian mafia without consulting with the rest of the team.
Yeah, what can we do to get it back?
Wow, that's a problem. You need to make more decisions as a team. Have you tried buying it back yet?
Not yet.
Well, just head over there and make them an offer they can't refuse.
Okay, awesome. Thanks, Kev.
No problem, Turtles. See what you can do when you work as a team?
Cowabunga, dude!